3, 2, 1.
Who was the first actor to play Tarzan? The answer is C. Elma Lincoln. The first telescopes were invented hundreds of years ago, which was discovered as a result of this invention. The answer is A. The moons of Jupiter. What is the name of the scale created by an entomologist who had been stung by almost every type of bee, ant, and wasp? The answer is B. Schmidt-Sting-Paine scale. The Lone Gunmen, the three unusual characters who appeared in the X-Files, help Agents Mulder and Scully with a number of cases. What was their area of expertise? The answer is C. Computers. What causes the rainbow in the sky? The answer is A. Clouds reflecting sunlight. What makes the Vienna bread so light and airy? The answer is C. Steam is used during baking. Who was the first emperor of Imperial Japan during World War II? The answer is A. Hirohito. I protect you from the cold, yet I'm not a coat. What am I? The answer is A. Scarf. I'm made of tissue and meat, but I'm not a taco. What am I? The answer is C. Sandwich. What do planets orbit? The answer is C. Burning hydrogen ball. The moon goes through phases as it revolves around Earth. During which phase of the moon would it be possible for a solar eclipse to occur? The answer is A. New moon. What was the nickname of President Warren Harding's wife, Florence? The answer is C. Fosse. Where in the world can you find the dolphin known as the Bodo? The answer is D. South America. I am a world that's red and barren. What am I? The answer is B. Mars. Which bird is also known as the Thunderbird? The answer is B. Raven. Which of these was not born in New Jersey? The answer is B. Ally Sheedy. How many parts are in a basketball game during the Olympic tournament? The answer is C. 4. I break windows, but can't be judged. What am I? The answer is A. Tennis ball. What was Louis Prima's nickname? The answer is A. The King of Swingers. Which car model was named after a French city? The answer is B, Renault. X and Y are the labels of what specialized human chromosomes? The answer is C, sex chromosomes. Which law states for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? The answer is C, Newton's third law. Which would least likely have an impact on global climate changes? The answer is A, producing energy using hydroelectric plants. Energy is lost as heat between each trophic level due to the second law of what? The answer is A, thermodynamics. Who was the first lady to receive a college degree? The answer is D, Lucy Webb Hayes. What is the popular handheld keyboard with a single row of keys? The answer is C, ocarina. The conga drums are most commonly used in what type of music? The answer is D, salsa. The world's oldest written language is not Sumerian. What is it? The answer is C, Hittite. What was the first browser? The answer is A, Mosaic. I'm lighter than a feather, yet you cannot hold me. I'm softer than cotton, yet you can't feel me. What am I? The answer is A, air. I help you see when it's dark, not with light, but ink. What am I? The answer is A, lantern. Who are Dr. Malone's new friends in the amber spyglass? The answer is A, Mulefa. What has roots that grow upward and which writes with leaves? The answer is B, tree. Which language is also known as the language of diplomacy? The answer is A, French. What is the world's largest island mountain? The answer is A, New Guinea. Which psychological term refers to a person's belief about their ability to perform a specific task? The answer is C, ID. What furniture piece is typically used for resting one's legs and feet on, often in a reclining position? The answer is A, ottoman. Who won the first Super Bowl in 1967? The answer is A, Green Bay Packers. What is the name of the small bumps that contain taste buds and covers the tongue? The answer is B. Papally. What is the title of the national anthem of Morocco? The answer is B. Hymn of the Sharif. The painting The Grand Odalisque by Jean-Auguste Dominique Ingres is a part of which art movement? The answer is A. Neoclassicism. Orange in color but not an orange, sliced and used in sandwiches. What am I? The answer is A. Cheese. I have a reed and make music when you blow, not a saxophone or clarinet. What am I? The answer is C. Trombone. What is the famous series of paintings by Munch known as? The answer is A. The Scream series. Birds flying thousands of miles south in the winter, then returning to their homes in spring, is a familiar example of what? The answer is D. Migration. What is Descartes' famous quote about doubting? The answer is B. Cogito ergo sum. I'm a country known for the Grand Canyon and Hollywood. What am I? The answer is A. USA. What 1994 movie was Ben Stiller's directorial debut? The answer is C. Reality Bites. Shako was a king of the Zulu Empire. Where was it situated? The answer is D. South Africa. Who created the first billion-dollar company?